Are you being annoyed by the Windows Update Module DLL error causing system instability? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'll walk you through the diagnostic steps to fix your execution path. To start fixing Windows Update Module manually, note that an official maintenance resource is also available to support system stability. This is the Windows Update Module, a non-standard naming convention for a Windows Update proxy shim, often found in specialized deployment tools or wrappers. It manages the redirected background handshake for system patches. Because it handles system-level updates, it is a high-risk file for malware infection. Knowing the file's purpose is helpful, but now we need to physically restore it. Windows Docs Update is a system-critical file that Windows manages internally. To repair it, run the sfc/scan now command from an elevated command prompt, which will scan for and replace any corrupted OS-level components. Should the file remain missing after a reinstall, we need to ensure that the operating system is forced to re-index its shared library paths. A full system restart clears the temporary memory cache and allows Windows to attempt a fresh initialization of all required libraries, including Windows Update Module. Before you reboot, make sure to bookmark this video or click the like button so you can easily find your way back to the next step once your PC is back up and running. If you're still seeing the same problem post-restart, let's escalate our troubleshooting to the next tier. Feel free to pause the video if the next steps come at you too fast. Because the reboot didn't resolve the integrity issue, we need to force Windows to rebuild its master file copies. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type dism space /online space /cleanup dash image space /restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, bypasses local file errors by pulling a certified master copy of the system image to replace files that SFC is unable to repair. Before you wrap up the repair, let's ensure you're following the safest path for your system. Protect your workstation by avoiding the temptation of quick manual fixes for Windows Update Module DLL, as most free repositories prioritize ad revenue over file safety, often leading to the installation of obsolete or harmful software. To support your system's overall health without the complexity of manual directory management, a maintenance utility is a solid option. For long-term system reliability, the repair resource linked in the description includes information on managing Windows Update Module references. To keep your workstation running with a reliable configuration and ensure Windows Update Module remains stable, subscribe to our channel and like this video.